Well, hello guys, this is your girl Diva Fashionista, and this is going to be an unpackaging of my new purses. I just want to say thank you to the love you've shown on my last purse video, but something I tried and I actually got a pretty good response. So I was like, okay, let's do it again. I did order some new purses. I purchased these off of eBay after seeing pictures on Instagram and started seeing like a few suggested videos here on YouTube, and I'm like, those are so cute, gotta have them. And being frugal, I tried to find the best prices because you can't find these type of purses on Amazon and other vendors. This is not a new trend. I'm just late to the trend. But I saw the best prices on eBay, so I ordered them. And guys, I'm going to show you the one that came first because I opened it immediately. So I opened this one immediately, and I decided once the second one came, I was just going to do it on camera. I'm going to just unpackage. I can't say boxes, it's not in the box, but unpackage it on camera for you, and you get my genuine reaction. So this is the first one. I saw this and I thought this thing was so stinking cute. Like the picture, it appeared bigger in the picture, and then with eBay, it doesn't allow, you know, like Amazon, for customers to post their own personal pictures. So I didn't really know what I was getting into, but I'm very much into iridescent. I like this just hollow type of look, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is kind of in right now, so I can match it. Like I did see some sneakers at H&M that had the hollow on it as well, and I had a look going, and then this thing came, and I feel like this thing looks so, first of all, it's so small. This is teeny tiny. Like I have a 7 Plus, like my phone would come up to like right here and there, and then it just looks so cheap. Like it looks cheap. It looks like a toy or something that like a little girl would carry. Like I'm not going anywhere with this. And then look at this chain. The chain, this is how it came. Like the chain was like this. This is the strap actually, but like it's how you send somebody something is knotted. Like really, look the detail on it. Like to me, it just looks cheap. I don't even see myself. Maybe one day this summer I will. This is the stuffing that came, and it was in like plastic packaging as well. Look, chain just came right up. They didn't even bother putting the chain on. So I wonder if they sent this to someone else and that person sent it back once they saw how cheap like this looked. There's nothing on the inside, no inside pocket, and I really didn't read the description. I kind of just went with the picture, and then I bought it like, oh, it's cute, I'll buy it type of situation. So who really can I blame but myself? But there's no inside pocket. There's nothing really going on here, and like as I'm looking at it, it is cute and reflective on camera, but I feel like this is really cheap. So one of my little nieces come over and they want to steal this from me, they can go ahead. And the price, it was like 17 bucks. So I'm like totally pissed, like total waste of money in my opinion. And so now we're on to the second one. Address is on the other side, and this one I have more hope for. This is a designer replica bag, like a replica dupe bag. I wouldn't say this is a bootleg, or what would you guys call it? Like I'll just say it's inspired, designer inspired, because it doesn't claim to it's not trying to be the bag. It's just a copy. Yes, that's good enough to say, right? So this is a dupe of the Chanel bag. I'm not sure the name. I know it's Chanel because when I started seeing pictures, I saw Chanel. I saw people with the actual Chanel bag, and you know the double C is like, the double C is like, you know, just iconic. It's you know it when you see it. So, and in the style, the whole quilting of the bag, that's all very Chanel. So this bag retails, the original retails, the smaller version is $2,600, and then the bigger version is about $3,200. And mind you, this is a PVC bag, it's plastic. So Came in this bubble wrap, which I hope it wasn't too annoying and noisy to actually hear me talking and unpackaging it. And already I'm like, okay, this is cute. So this one cost me almost $30. And I thought it was just so cute. So I was just like, okay, I'm just going to go for it because this is going to be a moment. Like, I don't exactly know how I'm styling this one this summer. But I saw, like, on Instagram, a lot of the girls that have these type of bags, the Chanel and, like, the Chanel inspired one, they put, like, Louis purses and all types of just their YSL lipstick inside. And I'm just like, girl, that's what we doing? Like, I don't know. I don't have a Louis wallet or coin purse. I don't have any of that. But, we'll see how I style this. Like, I totally think this is the redeem. Like, they redeemed themselves with this one. I like how on the inside it has a little pouch, and which I might use it, I might not, who knows. But the little pouch on the inside is white. It is dirty though. So it's like 1 step forward, 3 steps back. This is dirty. I can wash it off. I mean, that's the only good thing about it's this being plastic, or this is like a faux leather. I can wash it. I can wipe it down before I go to use it. Not like I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, but I feel like definitely this is a look. I'm gonna take this out. I was about to put it back in, but I'm gonna, or maybe I should put it back in so you can see the color it is, because I think the color shows up better with the little white pouch on the inside. So there was a couple other colors. I think that I saw this with like yellow. I saw it with like green. I saw it with other pastel colors, but I went with this one because I actually really like it. So you can see on the back, this looks lavender to the front, and I'm definitely gonna have to wipe this down. To the front, it's like teal or mint, whatever you call that. On top is pink, strap is blue, and the strap is adjustable, so you could wear it as a, which I see a lot of girls wear it like this on their shoulder. So I have to get up for y'all. Do I have to? Do I have to? Excuse this tummy, we working on that. So you can wear it like this, or you can wear it, and I don't want to be pulling on my bag already. Want to damage it because I can't wait to wear this out. Or you could wear it as a shoulder or crossbody, which crossbody, that's a really cute, that's cute, that's a good length that it comes on. Well, okay guys, I am grateful that this redeemed it. I cannot wait. I have to figure out what I'm going to wear with this, and if I do, I'll probably do a quick like OOTD. Do we still do that here on YouTube? Still into OOTDs, or just a quick summer lookbook with like my purses and my sandals? Thumbs up if you want to see that. I definitely will get that out to you. But if you want to check this out, I will try to find the link and link this down below, because I do feel it's pricey. $30, it was worth it. It's very cute. It's definitely a look for all my fashionistas out there. Get you a Chanel inspired PVC bag. Alright guys, if you like this video, if you like this type of video, please let me know. Thumbs it up, leave a comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'm sure to get some more popping content out to you soon, guys. Thank you so very much for watching, and if I don't catch you, you will catch me in the next one. Later. So cute.